Hi everybody, this is an easy way to take care of almost all your skin conditions with just one thing. So I'm going to show you how to use it and what it can do for your skin. First, let's talk about side effects. There's only one side effect and it's very rare. You can get a rash by using the ginger. So very few people get this, but to test, you will just rub a piece of the fresh ginger on a small piece of your skin and let it sit there for about 10 minutes and see if you develop any kind of rash. Most likely you won't because this is very rare. Ginger is very safe to use and excellent for your skin. So let's get into some of the amazing properties of ginger. Ginger is very anti-inflammatory, so it's really great if you have redness on your skin or puffy eyes, or if you have a lot of inflammation from acne and things like this. Maybe you have eczema or psoriasis. All these inflammatory skin conditions, they all can be helped by using ginger. How to use it for redness on your skin? You can simply cut a piece of raw ginger and rub the slice directly onto the skin. After it dries, you can rinse it off with water. And you can do this daily. If you're trying to get rid of the puffiness and redness around your eyes, the dark circles, all of that, if you're having eye problems, you can use ginger tea bags. Tea bags on their own help your eyes, but ginger also will help if you have any kind of pink eye or eye irritation, styes, this kind of thing. It'll also help to heal those conditions along with the puffiness and dark circles and all of that. So just make your tea and then use your cooled down tea bags, put them on your eyes, leave them there for about 5 minutes and then remove them. And it should help heal up all of your eye conditions. And if you want to know all the amazing benefits of drinking that ginger tea, you can go watch my video here. I'll leave a link for it in the description box and up above here. It is amazing for your body. Ginger is excellent for making your skin really glow, and it's good for all skin types. So if you have dry or aging skin, using the ginger in your skincare can help make it more bright and glowing. If you have oily or acne skin, ginger can help to tighten and smooth out the appearance of your skin. You can buy all kinds of skincare products that have ginger in it, or you can simply just cut a piece of raw ginger and rub it onto your skin. And do you know, just rubbing the ginger on your skin daily, just rub it on and then let it dry and then rinse it off. And you can do this up to 3 times a day. Just doing that will also help to increase and preserve the collagen. So it's very anti-aging. It's really great for keeping your skin young and beautiful. Ginger is really great too if you have scars. So how would you get rid of scars? You know, ginger by itself helps to boost your melanin, which makes the skin darker. And this is great for scar tissue because it's usually lighter than your regular skin tone. So this will help to make the skin colors match. So what you would want to do, you just crush up a little bit of ginger, mix it with some lemon juice, and apply this on your scars and leave it on for about 5 minutes and then rinse off with water. The ginger mixed with lemon juice helps to stimulate collagen production, and this will help to heal up the scars. Do the same treatment for hyperpigmentation. So if you have any dark spots on your skin, just apply the lemon and ginger to those spots. Leave it on for about 5 minutes and then rinse it off. You do not need to apply it to the whole face, just those areas. For acne, ginger is also excellent. It's very antibacterial. It will help kill off any of those bacteria that are going over your skin surface. You can also combine it with a little bit of honey to get an even stronger, more powerful effect. Together they help each other work even better. Just combine a half a teaspoon of ginger juice with a spoon of honey. Mix this together and apply it to your skin and leave it on for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. If your skin is really dull and needs to be exfoliated, this is excellent for using with yogurt. So just mix a little bit of ginger juice with yogurt and you're going to make like a mask. Apply this all over your skin. Ginger will help improve the elasticity of your skin, even the skin tone. It helps promote the cell turnover rate and will really help your skin just be radiant and shine. Just by rubbing a plain piece of ginger root over your face, this will help to purify your pores and clean them and give your face a nice refreshing glow just by itself. So if you don't want to do the mask or anything else, just applying the ginger root by itself is enough. Ginger is excellent for helping with wrinkles and aging because, as we talked about earlier, it helps with your collagen production, but it also does something more. It's very powerful antioxidant, which helps reduce oxidative stress and free radicals on your skin, and this will help to reduce aging, fine lines, and wrinkles. You can leave ginger on your face overnight, but it's not needed. You can rinse it off after it dries is long enough. Ginger is excellent for so many skin conditions that we have covered here. I hope that you try it. Leave some comments down below how well it's worked for you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.